welcome back to Measuremix. Today I'm so excited because I got this stuff to make my outdoor cushions for my outdoor couch. So stick around. Alright guys, so I needed my cushions to be budget friendly and cost effective, so I started looking online, and anything that I found for already made outdoor seat cushions that I wanted were going to be at least $120 for 3 sets of cushions and back cushions for my couch. And I was really trying to lower that cost and make it about half of that. So I have spent probably about $70 to $80 for all the supplies that I need for these cushions. So that makes my total for my couch and for the cushions to be roughly around $150. So I thought that was a lot better because I didn't want to make something that I could have just went out and purchased from the store, already made, already put together for $200–300. If I wanted it to be something that was really budget friendly and cost effective. So this is what I came up with for the outdoor cushion. Alright, so for the supplies, I chose these 28 by 28 Euro pillows. And I have sprayed them with the Rust-Oleum's Never Wet. I already had 2 of them in my closet, so I actually only had to purchase 1 of them. So I did get this off of Amazon. It was, I believe it was $16 or $17 for just this one pillow. Now that wouldn't have been cost effective if I would have needed 3 of them. So I did look on Walmart.com, and they have Euro pillows, 26 by 26 Euro pillows for $7 or $8 a piece. So if I needed all 3 of them, that still would have been cost effective for me to get 3 pillows rather than buying already made outdoor cushions. So that's for the back pillows. To cover them, I am going to use this drop cloth here, which I got from Amazon. And this, I believe, is a 6 by 9 foot, and it was about $9. And I got 2 of them. One to make the back pillows, and one to make the bottom cushion. And then to fuse all of this together, I got E6000 Fabrifuse. And I've never used it before, but it's supposed to be pretty strong, and hopefully it will be strong enough to fuse this together to make some pillowcases, basically. I also have this unique stitch, which I just found in the drawer in case I didn't have enough E6000. And then I also have this Stitch Witchery, which is just fusible tape that you do with the iron, and that will be, I'll use that for my hemming, and then I will glue everything together. Then I have my scissors and my rulers and my cutter, and that is it. So I am ready to get started.
So I started off by cutting 6 pieces of the drop cloth at 30 inches by 30 inches. And I did that so that I would have a couple inch overhang so that I could hem the seams together with the E6000 glue. And that is what I'm doing here. I'm folding one piece of fabric up, and then I have another piece of fabric underneath that I am using the E6000 on, and then I'm just folding it back together. And I took pins to hold it in place after it was glued down, because the E6000 takes about 8 hours for it to completely dry. And then I did that to all 3 sides of the pillowcase, and I left one side open. And then I also did that to each pillowcase, and I had 3 pillowcases in total.
Alright guys, so now I'm ready to cover the seat, and for the seat I bought convoluted bed pads, and they are 33 inches by 76 inches by, I believe, 2 inches thick. So I bought 2 of these to stack on top of each other so that I will have 4-inch thick cushions. Now the length is perfect. My couch is 72 inches, so that's perfect. The width though is about 29 inches, so I'm going to need to cut a few inches off of the width on each of these to make them 29 inches.
So for my seat cushions, I started off by trimming both the mattress pads to 29 inches in width with my scissors, and then I used my drop cloth, which was 6x9, which fit perfectly for both these mattress pads, and I just folded the drop cloth over top of it. And then I started using my hem tape and my iron, and I folded up the drop cloth and started hemming it to the mattress pad. Now this is an unconventional method, so you want to make sure that you do not burn yourself. You're being careful with the iron, and also you are not burning through the mattress pad or the cloth. But it did work out, and it fused the 2 pieces together really well. This is the side here, which was a little bit more difficult to work with. It was just a lot of folding and unfolding and cutting some pieces off, but I tried to just kind of wrap it like a present and then use the hem tape to fold it up and fuse it together. The last side, the long side, was the easiest to fuse together. I just used the hem tape in my iron, and I fused the drop cloth to the mattress pad. So the next day after the glue was dry, I took the pins out and flipped the pillowcases right side in. And then I took my hem tape and I hemmed the opening so that way I would have clean edges, and I put my pillow inside the pillowcase, and then I just fused the 2 pieces of drop cloth together so that way my pillow would be held inside the pillowcase.
Guys, I really love how my outdoor cushions turned out. They were a lot of work and a lot of trial and error, but I think they turned out really good, and they are super comfy to sit on, so I know we'll be spending a lot of time out here all summer long on this comfy couch. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell if you don't want to miss out on any new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.